Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to add data row and column in data table. So before that, you should know how to build a data table. In my previous video, I have explained how to build a data table in UiPath. So you can go to my playlist and check the video. So first of all, we will build the data table here. To build that, search for build data table. I'm going to build the data table here with column name and column name salary. And here I'm going to insert a row. I will add one more column, department. Click on OK. And then write range. So before that, we will create a data table variable which will hold the data table data. dt1. Drag and drop right range activity. To add the header, just select this checkbox and save it and run the activity. Check the output. To check the output, go to the project and then File Explorer. Here, open this Excel file. So you will see the row has been added. So our next activity is to add more rows and column to this Excel. So to do that, search for add data row, drag and drop this activity. Here you will see two text boxes are there, array row and data row. So to add the value here, just add the value like name, Clark, and the next was salary, and the department. So you will see here the error is coming. So what is the error? Because here the values are of different type. In our old version, such error was never encountered. So how to overcome this? To overcome this, we need to use new object like this. Oh, the spelling is wrong here. So now, so you will see the error has gone. Click on OK. Give the data table name dt1. Again, copy this activity here. Save this activity and run it. Check the output. So you will see a new row has been added after the first row. So our run is successful. So you will see here I have used this sentence. So just note it down somewhere for your future reference. In our next activity, we will add a column to the data table. So before that, there is one more text box, that is data row. So you will see here the data row object to be added to the data table. If this property is set, then the array row property is ignored. What is the meaning of this? The meaning is if you will use this text box, if you enter the value in this text box, then the array row will be ignored. It won't work. So what will you do here? For the time being, I will just remove it and I'll use the data row this time. So for that, create a variable dr data row and the type would be search for data row here and select it. System.data row. Take assign activity. Select dr. Enter value in first column. It was name. Let's copy this activity. There are 3 columns, so we will take 3 assigned activities. dr1, In the second column it was of integer type, so the value will be of integer type. Third column, and value will be of string type. It was department. You need to take one more assign activity here. So to add new row to a data table, you need to use this syntax dt1 dot new row. It will add new row to the data table. In the add data row, select dr, save the activity, and run this activity to see the output. Open the output file and see the output. So you will see here, using the data row option, one more row has been added to the data table. Now we will add more columns to the data table. So to add more columns to the data table, search for data column activity, add data column, just drag and drop it, and here you will see the text box with label column name. So it would be the fourth column, and the column name I would enter location, and the data table is dt1. Just shift the right range activity to the bottom so that we can add more columns to the data table. Just save the activities and run the activity. Check the output in the output sheet. So in the output Excel, you will see one more column has been added, that is location, and you can add more rows to it using add data row. So in today's video, we have learned about how to add data and column in data table. If you like my video, just press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.